Welcome back to Monster Transmissions. Today we're going to go over a Monster in a Box kit, specifically an SS Monster in a Box kit, which will let your transmission hold up to 500 horsepower. I'll go review all the parts that are included in the kit. The first thing we're going to start with is the packing slip. The packing slip, this will tell you all the items that are included in your kit as well as on our website. It'll go over each component that comes in the kit. First thing we'll start with is the gasket set. The gasket set, there's two different sets of valve body gaskets. Just like our mega kit, they'll come with all the gaskets and seals. They will come with a chart to help you identify the different valve body gaskets to fit your application. It'll also come with a precision guide, which will go over the bolts that you need, the locations, and even torque specifications, as well as inside going over line pressures and check ball locations. It's a very helpful chart. It's included in the kit as well. It'll also come with a Cork Pan Gasket, the front metal clad seal, the rear seal. All the kit is broken up into subcomponents. It'll include, just like the mega kit, each kit will be marked, identified on where these components go in the transmission. It's very easy to use. They'll come with all the rubber seals, filters, steel check balls, all the Teflon seals you need, as well as the servo seals. Now we get into the performance parts. These are all the factory components that fit all the transmissions. Performance parts, now we have the Alto Radial clutch kit. It'll come with 2 of the overrun, 5 of the forward, 6 of the 3/4, 4 input clutches, and 5 low reverse clutches. These are all the Alto Performance race clutches to give you the extra holding power that you need in the high performance transmission. The other component that's usually weak on a standard transmission is the steel plates. These have been chemically treated. They're called choline steel. It'll come with all these steels, which are made up with the new race clutches. Now you have extra clamping power to hold that torque and load. You have 2 of the choline overrun, 5 forward, 6 of the 3/4, 4 input steels, and 5 low reverse steels. The other part that you're going to get in the Monster in a Box SS kit is the Corvette Servo with the seals. It'll also come with a billet aluminum extra large 4th gear piston. This will help the band hold the clamping power under heavy loads or a lot of horsepower. Since we're touching the band, this is the Alto band. It's wider here, so it has more surface and clamping power holding the drum. It also has a reinforced strut area, so it will not rip off the band strut. It also has been reinforced here with extra rivets to hold the mechanism on the band. Now we have our 29 element dual cage sprag, our wide low reverse sprag, the sun shell. The next item will include all the planetaries. You have the 5-pin front planetary, an upgrade over the 4-pin that's in there. It'll disperse the load over 5 roller pinions versus only 4. Same thing for the rear planetary. Includes the Superior reprogramming kit. 4060L, which is late 98 and up, all the way up to the year 2005. Include the instructions, the springs, and even the drill bits to modify your shift plate. Also in the later kit, 98 to 05, will include all the molded pistons for the 3/4 clutch pack. So there's 3 molded pistons. It's a steel piston, bonded rubber as a lip seal. It'll include the filter, as well as a new chrome pan with a drain plug. It'll also include all the parts for a 13-vein pump for 98 all the way up to even 05. It has the 13 veins, pump veins, has 2 hardened pump rings, a 13-vein rotor, brand new, a new nylon guide, fits in there. It has the Teflon coated pump bushing and a retainer clip for the front seal. So these are all the components that come in the 4060 SS kit 98 to 02. We're now going to clean off the table and show you all the electronic components that are included in this kit. These are all electronics that are included in the 4L60E SS kit. The SS kit will include all electronics. Again, refer to your chart. It will give you a list of all the electronics. We'll review those items now. First item on the list is the 1-2 and the 2-3 shift solenoid. This is the 1-2 and 2-3 shift solenoid. They're exactly the same. The brand new AC Delco electronics. The next item on the list is your manifold switch. This is a brand new temperature manifold switch. Next item on the list is an EPC motor. This is an EPC motor. Next up is the 3-2 shift solenoid. Check this chart that comes with the harness for the year application. Sometimes it takes 2 of these, but most of the time it takes 1 gray for the PWM and this white one for the 3-2. And the last item that comes as far as electronics is the harness itself. You have the harness for the connector for the EPC motor. This is for the manifold switch. This is also to the 1-2 and 2-3 shift solenoid. And this goes up front for the 3-2 and the PWM. There's 2 different connectors here depending on year range of solenoid. So the one that's not used, it also comes with a cap to snap over the one that's not used. That's included in the kit as well as the actual Tcc solenoid right here that goes into the pump. So you have the harness, your shift solenoids, your PWM, your 3-2 shift solenoid. You have the EPC motor as well as the temp manifold switch. This concludes all the items that come in the Monster in a Box kit. If you have any questions, you call us at Monster Transmissions 1-800-708-0087. Thank you.